Hello everyone! In this video, we will go step by step on how to print stickers, barcodes, price tags, and labels for orders, products, items, as well as warehouses and locations. Let's start with printing labels for orders. Go to the Orders menu. Navigate to the tab of the required order type. It can be repairs, sales, or manufacture. For this example, let's choose repairs. Open the order card. To do this, click on its number or simply double-click anywhere on the line. In the upper left corner to the right of the order number, there is a printer icon. Click on it, and in the pop-up window, select the barcode print template and click the Print button. You will get a ready-to-print form. Now let's look at how to print price tags. Go to the Goods and Services menu. In the product list, check the boxes for the items you need. A printer icon is displayed in the lower right corner. Click on it, check the price tag option, click Print, and you will receive a ready-made form to send to the printer. Next up is printing labels for specific items. There are as many as 3 convenient ways to do this. Method 1. Go to the Warehouses menu and select Warehouses Balances. Click on the serial number of the required item. The item card opens. Find the printer icon there. Click it, check the barcode box, and hit Print. By the way, you can also print a price tag here if you select the corresponding option instead of the label. Method 2. Go to the Goods and Services menu. Find the necessary product via search and go to its card. Next, open the Warehouses Balances tab. Check which warehouse the product is located in, and click on the serial number to go to the card of the item itself. Just like in the first method, click on the printer icon, choose exactly what to print, a barcode or a price tag, and hit Print. Method 3. Go to the Orders menu and navigate to Orders to Supplier. Click on the order number or the pencil icon, Edit, in the line to open the supplier order card. In the Cart section, right in the row with the item you want, next to the Debit option, you'll see a printer icon. Click on it and you will instantly get a ready-made form to print labels for all received units of this product in this order. Finally, let's print barcode stickers for the warehouses and locations themselves. There are also 2 ways to do this. Option 1. Go to the Warehouses menu and open the By Warehouses tab. Next to each warehouse in the Print Locations column, there is a printer icon. Click on it and the system will generate a ready-made form with a list of all locations linked to this warehouse. Option 2. Go to the Warehouses menu, but now select the Settings section and go to the Warehouses tab. It works similarly here. Next to each warehouse in the Locations column, click on the printer icon to get a ready-to-print list of location barcodes. Done! Now you know how to quickly and conveniently print any barcodes and price tags. We also highly recommend watching our video tutorials on how to scan barcodes correctly and how to set up a label printer. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new educational videos. See you next time!